Y'all, so don't mind me. I just put on my throw-on clothes. Cause we about to do some home improvements. So I'm gonna try to vlog this. Yeah, we got my phone. I think it's the 16th, July 16th. Father's Day weekend is this weekend, and we having family over. My brain be all over the place, y'all. So we just moved into the house 2 months ago. The kids' rooms, yeah, they're done. That's like the only thing that's done. So now we're gonna get the downstairs area together for the most part, since we're having company. The part of the house that mainly everyone will be in together, although they will be upstairs too when it's time to go to sleep, because I think everybody's staying here. So just make it look decent, you know. I wonder if I need to bring my light downstairs. So the house is a little bit messy, gotta clean up, but this is like a upstairs sitting area. So for the most part, this is cool for when family comes. This Harlem room, he's gone, so his room is clean, ready for guests, whoever's gonna sleep in here. This is a futon, so that's somewhere somebody can sleep. Got an air mattress, boom boom boom. So this area good. He good, we're good, that's good. We got Nala's room. We're gonna have to come here and clean up, and then we still gotta hang her curtains over there, hang those up. But for the most part, she's together. And yeah, big enough space for somebody to sleep right here. Got the bunk bed. So yeah, this is good. Airs. So front door, walk in. Maybe I shouldn't be giving y'all details. Y'all try to come rob me, bro. But those canvases, these Amazon boxes full of stuff that we finna put together and get together. That's all stuff we finna put together, get together. Dining room. We had chair covers on the table, but we washed them. So don't talk about my pineapple chairs. Those were gifted to us. Not gifted, they were given to us. And we appreciate them. Very sturdy. So I gotta clean all this up, honey. Got that. We're gonna put some curtains up. This is the dining room area. Then we got the living room. Bare. We're gonna put a rug down. We're gonna get us a table, get some pictures up and stuff. Like I said, we gotta clean up, but don't mind that. Got the half bath. We're gonna get this together. Gonna put some wallpaper up, put a little shelf up, little rug down. That's kind of all that need. Then the kitchen. Let me turn the lights on, it's so dark. Okay, for the kitchen, again, don't judge me, we gotta clean up. But we're gonna put a little dining room table, little rug, couple pictures on the wall, some mats down, and then, you know, just get it together, make it look like home, you know? So that's what we about to do now. I know I'm not gonna get everything done today, but the main things I wanna get done, down here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the bathroom, because I think I got everything for the bathroom. I still got like a couple more packages that's supposed to come today, some that come tomorrow, and then some that come Thursday. So I think I got everything for the bathroom, so we're gonna start in the bathroom and then kind of see where we go. Maybe by the time I'm done with the bathroom, my man will be home and we could do the table, the dining room table together. You know what? I'm gonna do the bathroom, and I'm gonna put the curtains and stuff and get the little dining room, the first dining room area. I could do that because we got everything. And then maybe by then, Big Papa will be home, and I can, we could put the dining room table together, because I feel like that might be too heavy for me to do by myself. And he could probably put the shelf for the bathroom together, but I might try to do that, but we're gonna see. Shit, I feel like I'm doing a lot of talking. But let's open up these packages. Let's open the packages. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we got this. It's a shower curtain. So let me tell y'all what I'm gonna do with this. Shower curtain, but this is what I'm gonna do with it, y'all. So you know when you go to like for the living room walls, I feel like they're so big in there. I wanted something that's gonna take up a lot of space, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money. right? And if you go to Burlington's and like Home Goods and stuff, you get the big canvases. You gonna pay like the minimum. Like I know you go to like Marshall's. I got one at Burlington's. I paid like $80, $90. You go to like Home Goods and stuff, you spending $120 for like the big ones. But I don't want to do that. So I seen on TikTok, because y'all know me, I'm a TikTok girl, baby. I stay on TikTok. I live on TikTok. She took a shower curtain, put it on a canvas, stapled it, and made her own like canvas painting. So I found this shower curtain, and there's another one over there I got too. Found this shower curtain. I think I paid maybe like $15 a piece, $30, right? Then I got these canvases. Look how big this is. It's almost taller than me. In the store in Michael's, y'all, the canvases was $80 a piece. I go on a app, y'all, watch, they was on sale for $17. $17. So I got two, I think I paid $37 after taxes. So $37 for both of these, $15 for that, and I paid $8 for, I got a staple gun. So how much that is? That's like $70. So for $70, I'm gonna get two big ass 36 by 48 canvas paintings. What? Who the fuck? Yeah, don't play with me. I know how to save $1. But anyway, yeah, I'm real proud of that if y'all can't tell. But yeah, we got that for that, so we can definitely do that today. This, I don't know what the fuck. Oh, I think this is the bathroom rug. They just got it bathroom sealed. Yeah, this is the bathroom rug. This is like a regular, nothing special. We'll tan little rug for the toilet. Got that. Oh, okay. So I bought 3 pictures to go on the wall in the kitchen. They like these little metal frame pictures. But I get the pictures and they tiny as hell. So I'm like, okay, I need to get 3 more because in the picture, in the description, it did say the size, but in the picture, it showed a bigger picture. And usually I would measure when it say like the size of the picture, I would measure it on the wall to see how big the picture is gonna be. But I didn't do that because they didn't offer different sizes. They only offered one damn size. So I assume the size they offer is the one that they got a picture of. So the pictures was too small. So I just got 3 more. And I'm gonna do like, you know, 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom. And then, yeah, we're just gonna go like that. I don't wanna open it because we got the spoons and shit up in there, but this one got wine glass, cheese, and I guess champagne. The other one I got, I think it got a coffee cup, a spoon, and a fork, and some other shit. When we moved in, you know, I had like a list and like a cart of stuff I want to get for the house, but we wasn't like really in a rush for real. So I had an idea when we decided to go ahead and get the stuff because we have company. I had an idea of something broke, something spilled. But I already had an idea of what I wanted. So it didn't take me long to like go get the stuff. But some stuff I did have to like find alternatives. What is this? Oh, this for the door. This for the door to like hang something. We got the glass part. So instead of hanging a wreath, it's like a suction cup. Anyway. Like I was saying, sorry, my brain just doing what it want. I've been doing what I want. It's up in the back of the trunk, in the front, particular in the back. Okay, I got these for the kitchen. So I'm gonna put the 6 pictures like boom, 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 boom. And then I got these, I think it's what, 4 of them. And just going boop, 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 boop. Y'all see, it should look good, it should. I had an idea of what I wanted to do. Did have to change like some of the options so that the stuff can arrive on time because I didn't order this stuff until Sunday. And I was praying, so Amazon stayed 2-day shipping, but we all know this shit ain't been 2 days for a while. The price went up, the days went up. So I was trying to get stuff that would get here in time. I got these because we got a big vase in the kitchen. that's got like stuff in it that match the old decorations. So I'm gonna just switch it out. So you know the vases with the stems and shit. Just gonna add a little greenery. We're gonna add that in there. And we're gonna add this in there. Something is missing. Maybe another box. I got these flowers. It's the same as that, like the stick in the vase. Oh, I hope I'm not talking too much. Why are you so long and we're not? But yeah, we're gonna stick in the vase. Y'all see. This right here, I think this and this is the dining room chairs, and I think this is the dining room table. So we're not gonna open that right now. This is one of the mats for the front door. So it's gonna be like this with this mat, boom, and then this mat on top. I seen this on Pinterest, bitch. Not you. I'm just saying bitch. I'm not calling you a bitch. Dang, hold on, let me get something to open this. It say home sweet home. So it say home sweet home. And it's gonna be like that. Ooh, that's cute, ain't it? Ooh, that's cute. I got to hang on the door. It say welcome-ish. Depends on who you are and how long you're staying. Exactly. So really you're not welcome. It's depending upon. So all you vampire bitches, think again. I don't know if I'm talking too much. I feel like I'm talking too much because I'm talking to myself. So I'm just, this is how I normally talk to myself. So this cute. Then we got the suction cup thing. I'm gonna put this outside and I'm gonna show y'all real quick because it ain't gonna take long. Okay, last box, and then I'm gonna put this stuff on the porch. This wallpaper, this for the living room. This is supposed to be like a wood grain type of, and then this is for the downstairs bathroom. It's like a abstract type print. Oh, this is pillowcases for the living room. Look at this. Ooh, very elegant, bitch. Very what's this? Damn, suede. Ooh. Some suede pillowcases. This is cute. This is a cute color. Match the curtains, I think. Yes, match the curtains perfectly. And this is the picture that's gonna be on the wall. So I feel like this color kind of goes with that. Kinda. Not really. Ah! We'll make it work though. We have no choice. It do match though, look. I think the camera just not picking it up good. But it do kind of match. They're gonna be far apart. Mind your fucking business. Don't worry about what I got going on over here, boo. This is my house, not yours. Do your fucking pillows match? Let me stop cussing so much. Do your pillows match? I think the fuck not, you trick ass bitch. I'm gonna edit that out though. They ain't gonna hear that. The people ain't gonna hear that. I got 4 things. I got more over there. That's so I'm gonna do the porch stuff. I look sweaty, but I'm not, y'all. It's grease. I literally put CeraVe on my face. But I'm gonna do the porch stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all that outside. So hold on. This is the sign. Okay, sign on door. Okay, cute. That's okay. This is how the bathroom looking. I'm about to take that down and start doing the wallpaper. I keep stopping, but I got irritated. Got this one little section left. Mind you, I bought a big roll and a little roll and it only did this. So we still got this little section right here left. So I just ordered another small roll of I just ordered another small roll of the I had to put my hair up, but I was hot. Of the wallpaper. It's gonna come Friday, so we're just gonna keep going, honey. I don't know. We just gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. Anyway, What else I gotta do in here? Okay, we just finna go. We just finna do it. We just finna do it. Cause if I wait too long, I get irritated, I get lazy, and that's it. Won't nothing else be done. I'll go lay down. Okay, I'ma just do whatever I could do with what I got. And we'll finish the rest. We'll figure it out tomorrow. I gotta get a hammer. I know I gotta get a hammer. So I'll get the hammer tomorrow to hang up the pictures. I'll show y'all the pictures. The hang up. Y'all finna watch me build this thing. Let's do that. Hey, I'm a woman that's independent. Yeah, did that by myself. Yes, all by myself. Never need no nigga for nothing. Just kidding. But no, I really did. Look at that. Now I'm proud, y'all. I ain't even need the hammer. But I did that. Say I didn't. I did. I put that together by myself. Girl, stop fucking playing with me. Damn. Let's put the rug in there and stuff. Just some of the stuff I got to go in here. This is the hand soaps. I'm gonna put hand soap in one, hand sanitizer in the other one. That's what I got. Little feminine little basket for this. So I gotta find some more stuff to go up here. Y'all saw the inside of the cabinet. Just the essentials, tissue, feminine products, wipes, and air freshener. I don't think it's really nothing else we need to put in there. And I don't know what else could go in here. Oh, I need to get a tissue paper holder. A tissue, like the holder thing, the one that stand up. But yeah, I think this is done. I do got a flower. The flower I could put in here. Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna put it up there so y'all look. This is like a random flower I got in the house. Sat on top of the refrigerator. Maybe sit that up there. I feel like this is cute. Yeah, right? So I'm about to put the trash can and stuff in here. And I think that's it in here. So when I fix the wallpaper. Oh, and I hang the pictures tomorrow. So let me show you the pictures. Just something simple. Hold on. These are the pictures, like real cute, real simple. They're gonna go on this wall. I don't know how I'm gonna hang it yet. But nothing too big. This is something to put on the wall. So I gotta put those up once I get, what's the name? And yeah, on to the next project.